In this video, I will show you on how you can restore the previous version of your document in Canva. So just like Google Docs or Microsoft Word, Canva does save multiple versions of your document, and then it will allow you to go back in time and look at that version, and then you can restore that version of the document or your design. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open your document, open your design in Canva, go to File, and then you want to click on version history. This is where you can see a lot of changes that have been made to the document. So you can scroll down and you'll see the time of the day, the time where the design was saved. So you can kind of find which part of the or which version of the document that you want to restore. So you can click on any of these, and Canva will give you the preview of the document. So when you're done, you can click restore this version, and that version of the document will be restored, and you can start working on top of it. So anyway, that's exactly how you can see the version history and restore that version in Canva. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you on the next video.